This is a stone grinder. I'm pretty sure you have seen the paddy fields around Sri Lanka.
Yeah.
So those paddy fields, what you get from those paddy fields is the paddy grains.
Right.
So the grains, they come directly right into the grinder, and then our grandmas and they grind it over here, and then from the grinded paddy grains, you get the rice seed.
What we eat.
Yes, exactly. So from that is where the rice is extracted from.
So it's pounded here,
It's pounded here.
converted into rice.
Yes, exactly.
How old is this piece?
Interesting question. So this particular one,
Yeah.
it's around over 100 years old. It spans over 3 generations. That's as far as they can remember. It can be even older than that as well.
So their parents and their grandparents have been using it.
Yeah, for centuries. So it's an ancient equipment.
Right.
And as well as you can see the pounder.
Can I hold it?
Of course. A pounder for that.
It's heavy, yeah?
Very heavy. It's made out of
What wood do you use?
it's made out of ebony wood.
Ebony. It's an
That's
expensive piece of wood.
exactly.
And this is the rice, right?
Yes, those are the paddy grains. These are the rice. We extract from that
Right.
straight into our kitchen, and then we cook the rice.
Thank you.
This is the end product. All the paddy grains that we pounded is being put onto this. This is called a winnowing fan.
Winnowing.
It's been put onto this, and then it's been extracted. So all the dust and the particles go down there, and then the rice,
Remains.
the rice grains remain on that.
That's the noise you should get. Wow. That's nice. This is the end product, right? What an amazing piece of work. 100% excellent. Yeah.
Now, since this place is the specialty of this place is coconuts.
Yeah.
That's something you should really have.
Thank you.
The drink.
Service with a smile.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's it.
Wow, this is sweet and nice.
I love it.
You know what? We spend £1 for a can of coconut water in England,
£1.
and you guys have it around you.
It's
Where
everywhere.
you live, everywhere.
It's everywhere. Once you get a coconut,
Amazing.
just for the coconut, you get the water for free.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. How do you like it?
That is amazing. What is this thing?
This is a coconut scraper. So these days, our people, we have electronic devices to make their lives easier.
Yeah.
But in the olden days, during our grandmother's time, they didn't have electronic equipment to do this. So they had to do it manually with a device such as this. So it's just a coconut scraper. You scrape it like this. It's a lot of hard work.
It is.
Yeah, it is a lot of hard work. So
But it's in a way a primitive piece of equipment.
Exactly.
But still just a job.
does the
Right.
job perfectly.
Job.
Even more so than electronic.
And it saves room when storing.
Yes.
Yeah?
Exactly.
Masterpiece.
So this is one of our traditional Sri Lankan cooking equipments.
It also looks like a cricket bat.
It does.
Nice. Thank
Right.
you.
You see here, we'll be making some a millet dish.
Right.
A dish made out of millet. So
Okay.
we call it pittu in Sinhala.
Pittu.
Yes, pittu. So this particular one is a kurakam pittu.
Millet
So,
pit.
Millet pittu.
Right.
The millet is kurakam.
Yeah.
So what happens here is, she takes the millet flour,
Right.
the kurakam flour, she puts it in.
Yeah.
She adds some coconut to it. Some coconut scrapes.
That we scraped last time?
Exactly.
Right.
You use those scrapes.
Okay.
You add it to that, and you add some salt as well.
Right.
And then some water. It looks very simple, but once you taste it, you'll see how tasty and healthy it is. Because
Right.
this kurakam is very healthy.
Healthy. Yeah.
So this is how she makes it. She adds it all together, makes it like a sort of a paste, and then she puts it into a small device, which we will come to later,
Right.
and then she steams it.
Steams it. So this is a dish which is steamed, right?
Yes.
So coconut, like you said, has a lot of use.
It has
There's a
ton
lot of use.
In Sri Lanka,
Yeah.
we use coconut for a variety of dishes.
So this is done by the first generation for you to give me the best taste.
Exactly.
Right.
You'll be experiencing the cooking of someone who has over 50 years of experience.
Experience. So the dish has to be.
That's very magnificent. Let's go on and let's see how it's going to be steamed next.
Sure, sure.
Right.
Okay, thanks. Yeah.
This is what we use to steam the millet pittu. Yes, as you can see, I'm pretty sure you have not seen this anywhere.
No,
Look
it's,
at how unique this is.
yeah,
It's a bamboo pipe
right,
that's tied around by a rope,
right,
and then you have used a cloth around the area.
right,
Use that cloth to trap the steam.
right,
So then what's inside gets steamed properly.
right.
And then you use a traditional coconut shell to close it off to let some steam blow it out. So this is all handmade.
And it's steam cooked, right?
It's steam cooked and the smoke is getting into my eyes.
Yeah.
But that's the life of it. And then inside you can see it's the kurakam pittu there.
Yeah.
This is it. So
And this is also coconut coir string.
coconut coir string. Yes.
So coconut comes into
this has
play here as well.
Yes. The coconut comes to ingredients as well as the
Equipment.
It's all handmade since the early days. This is
Yeah.
how our grandmothers used to cook.
So it's real grandma flavor cooking.
Real grandmother cooking.
I can't wait to taste it.
Let's taste it. Sure. Hi, Earl.
Hey,
So, this is the end product.
of what we were steaming?
Yes, this is the kurakam pittu, the millet pittu.
Look at the shape.
Exactly. This is the end product. So all those things that we did, it comes to an end, and that is. You see the shape here?
Yeah,
It's the tube shape
yeah.
because it's because of the bamboo tube.
Okay, yeah, I
That's
realize.
how he gets the
Yeah.
taste, the shape. And finally,
Yeah.
we have to taste it.
Oh, this is the sauce,
This is the gravy.
gravy which goes with this.
Yes. Here you go.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Enjoy then.
Will do. Thank you. You know what? This is one of the most beautiful breakfasts I ever had. Millet pittu. And Charita just showed me how the entire process works. And I am trying to tell you how tasty it is. I am lost for words. Since the day I landed here, I think Sri Lanka is an amazing experience for me. The food, the people. I'm seated in here in a coconut plantation, breathing fresh air and eating grandmother's cooking. Life can't be better than this. Thank you, Charita.